Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
You see it? Yo, is my stuff off? Oh my gosh, my door's closed. Yeah! Ah! Oh my god! Okay, let me come down. Oh my goodness. Ma'am, don't hit my car. Oh! Oh my goodness! Look at this! Ah! The bristles! Oh man! Ah! What is this? Oh. We need one of these at the house. Well, at home. Oh! Oh, is it almost over? Oh my goodness! Look at this. Uh-oh, what's that? Oh, that's that little bristle. Oh, look at that! Look at this soap! Yo, what is that? Oh my gosh, look, it's green, pink, and blue. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, this is the type of car wash I used to be in Philly. Look at it. It's a longer car wash too. You get to chill and enjoy it. Man, this is dope. Oh wow, that thing came out. Woo! That little key scared me. I ain't even know that was coming. Dang, all this to get another car wash next week. That white don't be playing. Oh, you can smell it. That don't smell good. You smell it? It's a baptism. Now we about to get dry.